In this video, I'm going to show you how to install TikTok on your Mac using Safari. Now before we start, it's important to know that TikTok is not available as a normal Mac desktop app, like some other applications. So instead, the best option is to add TikTok to your dock as a web app using Safari. First, open Safari on your Mac. In the search bar at the top, type TikTok.com, then press Enter. Once the TikTok website opens, you can sign into your account if you want. Now, go to the top menu bar and click File. From the menu, select Add to Dock. A small window will appear. You can keep the name as TikTok, or rename it if you want. After that, click Add. TikTok will now be added to your dock as a web app. When you open it, it will launch in its own app-like window, separate from Safari. You can also find it later from your dock or Launchpad. And that's it. This is how you can install TikTok on your Mac using Safari. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.